Hello guys. For today's video, I will try just to explain this idea of Bitcoin investing. You understand that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies asset is new. Just from 2008, when we have the biggest crisis of 2008, the banking crisis, and then someone created this new, what we say, banking system without the government. And in the 3rd of January 2009, it began trading, and as you know. So, a lot of people believe that Bitcoin will replace banks, will replace gold, will replace everything. Before they think about gold as has value and stable, but right now, the idea of gold is gone. Now it is Bitcoin. This is what a lot of people in the world believe in. Now, investing, what does it mean? It means investing is when you invest in something, in the future, you will get a return. Okay? According to the past of Bitcoin, some people, they have made a lot of money, especially the first guys or the first women who have believed in Bitcoin. You know, it was only, I think, 0.008. And then it goes to $69,000 for a share. This is amazing. So, a lot of people think that they will put their money or retired money, or they invest, and hopefully, this money they will make a lot of money from it. And then, as you might see, Bitcoin has succeeded to go higher and higher, and we have about now 18,000 cryptocurrencies. You know, they try to imitate Bitcoin, but as you know, Bitcoin, it has no third party. It means Bitcoin is separate from all the other cryptocurrencies because no one controls Bitcoin. The only one who controls Bitcoin are the traders and investors in the whole world, because it's not only in America, USA, it's all over the world. People, they buy, they sell. So it's a market that it is not only in USA. That's why you can't control the price. But understand that Bitcoin can go to, as they say, to millions of dollars for one Bitcoin, and it can go to what? To 1 cent. I'm not saying $1, but I can say 1 cent. No one knows. So you have to think like this, that Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are a volatile asset. It means that if you invest, expect either you will have a lot of money and expect that you will be wiped out. There is no guarantee in the market. And who said that there is a guarantee? He's just buying a lot and he wants to influence people to buy, because if someone bought at $1 and now it is at 26,000 as today, $26,000, he wants more people to buy, and he will make more money. That's why we have a lot of influencers who are pushing people buy. But what if Bitcoin is wiped out? I'm not saying Bitcoin will be not in the scene in the future. No, I'm not saying that. But I'm saying, Who tells you that it goes up like millions or it goes to $1 or 0 or cent? No one knows. So in your future, if you believe in it, you expect something to happen. Either you may be a millionaire, or you lose all your money, because a lot of people, they put too much money. And there is a big movement. It's not like gold, for example. It goes little by little for 10 years, 20 years. Okay? It doesn't make that big volatile thing. Stock market, yes, it is volatile sometimes, like in 2008. Stock market, it lost nearly 50%. It means if you have $100,000 invested in stocks, you will get 50,000. Okay? But understand that stocks during 100 years or 200 years, it shows that it is the best investment ever. But right now, people, they don't want the investment to stay 50 years or 100 years and to become rich. People, they want to be rich right away, as the people are trading cryptocurrencies. And for example, XRP, the other time it was 47 cents. And in one day, it becomes 82 cents. You see, people, they want to make money quicker. And that's why those people who believe they might be fortunate to make a lot of money, some others, they don't believe. That's why we have a lot of people, they don't believe in it. They don't invest in it, and they have never bought any Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. Okay? And some people choose other currencies, cryptocurrencies like here and that. And we have a lot of influencers. They push the price up. And each time you have a new cryptocurrency that popping out, it makes a huge profit for a lot of people, and it collapsed like this. So the main thing I'm telling you is, if you invest, if you believe in it, it's your choice. But understand that the price is volatile. And this money, I'm telling you, it shouldn't be your retirement, because maybe it goes to 100,000, and then from 100,000 it go to 1,000 or 7,000, 10,000. Okay, the swings are very, very large, and some people are buying and buying and buying and waiting for the new bull, because a lot of people are waiting for that. Understand that Security Exchange Commission this year was very, very harsh with cryptocurrencies, except for Bitcoin. And you have a lot of trouble for these exchanges that trade Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. And this year, normally it is a bull year, but because of all these problems, Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies, they are not doing that much, although they did in the first 6 months a little bit, and then everything stops because of all these problems. So if you believe in it, understand that you are responsible for your money. You put your money wherever you want. If you succeed, it's good for you, but if you get wiped out, you just blame yourself. Okay? I see some people, like big companies, like this MicroStrategy. This guy has bought 1 billion, 200 million of Bitcoin. It's crazy, but he believes in it. It's his choice. Now, let's say he was wiped out. Let's say Bitcoin was $1,000 in the future, in 2 years or 5 years. It's his choice. He assumes responsibility for that. He doesn't care, because this is what he believes in. And when someone believes in something, you cannot just go and convince him that it is bad or it is good. So for you, you should make a decision. Is it good for you? You invest. If it's not good for you, you don't invest or invest little. And in my opinion, when you invest, think that your investment will be zero in the future. Now, if it becomes millions, at least you will be surprised and astonished that you get all this money. And if you get wiped out, you have in your mind that it might be not a good thing, not a good investment for your future. So everything you should decide. Don't let anyone convince you about doing one thing or another. You should take responsibility because it is your money. Okay? All the other people, they can, especially those influencers, they speak too much about Bitcoin, about other cryptocurrencies, and because they get profit now. They get intensives or their channels become so big because of what they say. It means they create a dream for people, for the poor people. You say, what? Just if you put $1 for this Doge, now you are a millionaire. But you are not from the first to get this thing, and you don't know that this thing will become what it is now. Okay? So, guys, try to think and focus and study and take a decision and do whatever you want. Okay? Thank you very much.